Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be really exciting. We're actually going to finally let my sister drive my car once again, but this time she's going to take it on the streets. So yeah, we're going to see if she stalls or not. Hopefully there's not a lot of traffic right now. It's around, I think, like 4 o'clock. So let's try to knock this video out to before it gets dark. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive the car to the location right now, just so you know we actually make it to the location. She said she wants to practice just a tad bit, and I guess I'll let her, just because I know how it feels when you actually have to drive manual in the streets. So we're gonna go ahead and let her sort of practice for tops 10 minutes and then have her actually drive on the street. So let's go ahead and head over. All right guys, so we got to the location. We can switch seats. So she's gonna go ahead and take it just to kind of refresh herself and kind of get used to the car just a bit. You have, first of all, you have the
I'm gonna go.
The parking brake is on.
Yeah. Part 2.
Oh my god. Part 2 of she can't put it down. Guys, it's not even that, like.
Dude, hurry up. This
Here, I'll do it. It's literally. And she fucking stalled you. Oh my god. You were in fucking gear. Okay.
Okay. Now what?
Well, let me fucking put this down. You see? Dude, it's not even... How am I 110 pounds and you're 100 whatever pounds and I'm able to put that thing down? Put in the clutch and go to first. Okay, there is a few... One car, yeah. Jeez, oh my god. Okay, Murray.
What's happening?
You have to shift.
I forgot. I have a lot of automatic.
Jeez. If you can't see, then put the visor down. Okay.
Every time I go to 3, I shift, right? How
Yes.
Do you stop? How do you brake?
You just brake normal. If you're gonna go to a complete
God.
stop. Oh my
What
god,
is this?
Jesus Christ. Murray, what are you doing? What is this guy doing? First of all, go around.
What do I do now?
Go to first.
It's in first.
Then go.
Holy shit.
You barely even, you didn't give it no gas. You gave it none.
What am I doing?
Put in neutral. Watch in and start it.
Now this bitch made me stop. For emergency, the headlights.
Why?
There's a car coming.
Go to first. And then go. Give it gas. Give it gas. You're not. Okay, you're not giving it gas.
Oh my god. I'm gonna take off the sweater on top.
Oh my god. Okay, go to first.
Go around. She ain't going around.
Go to first. Go to first.
Okay.
We're holding up traffic. Go to first. Go. Okay. 2 cars already slowed down.
Why is there a line? I'm gonna go around.
Oh, there's a line. I literally gotta pee so bad. Well, why are you guys in line? Are you guys? The guy with the wheelchair is just chilling. Rachel, run him over, please.
Really, shut up, please. Why is the emergency light still on? Wait. Did I downshift?
Okay, I'm a
I went from 3rd to 2nd. Wait, I'm gonna pull over. I'm gonna pull over.
I'm a my pants. Okay, pull over. Go to neutral. 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 Oh my god, there's glass right there. Do not go. Step on it. Alright guys, so we're on the side of the road right now. We're just gonna go over the basics all over again. As you guys can see, this was kind of a little shit show, but we have not yet gone to the street, so we'll see how she does. Okay, so we're gonna have her go ahead and go on the streets now. Oh my god, what the fuck did you hit? Damn, what happened to that guy's bumper? Okay. Okay, so remember?
Where's the turn? Put the emergency light on. It's a neutral.
Yes.
And then
Yeah. Okay, now clutch in. Go to first. Go to first and go. Give it gas. Come. I don't think you're. Oh my gosh, I don't think. Jeez. First, remember, give it gas. Give it gas. Wait, there's a. Right. Gas. Give it gas. Give it gas. Go, go, go. Give it gas. Okay, you're fine. You're fine. Okay, now we're in a busy street. Some people. Who's on your? He's far. Some people can be rude and unforgiving, and they honk, which are, you know, they're bad people. They're like, oh, there's a fellow Mustang. First, and then go. Give it gas. Go. Okay, you almost did a burnout, but I mean, you didn't stop. Jeez Louise. Okay, and then give it a little gas. Okay, now remember. Okay. Sorry. Okay, go. Okay, go to first. First. I'm laughing, but inside I'm crying. Jesus, I don't know what the heck are you doing.
That's your cop. That lady was pissed.
This bitch behind us.
I saw her face.
What was she doing?
She was like pissed.
Oh, dude.
Morgan is like,
Okay, break. Down. You have the same lady behind you.
oh my god.
She's literally behind you.
I'm not driving this. Yes, girl.
And make sure you start giving the gas. Gas. Marie.
Oh, fuck. Okay.
Okay, go to first. Give it gas. You don't give it
I'm
gas.
giving it gas. I'm sorry.
Yeah, just go around, car. They probably hate us. Okay, go.
I can't do it.
I'm sorry.
I can't do it.
No, they're pissed. Okay. Marie, you're not giving it gas. I don't know what you're doing. Wait till they go and then give it gas. Give it gas.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. She's gonna fuck up my car. Okay, and make sure it's in first. Go all the way over, and then I don't think you're in first. Okay, go. Just try it. Do you want to just change?
No, I have to do it.
You're fucking on my car. You're literally fucking on my car, like seriously. Okay, Marie, make sure it's in first. Go all the way over, and then sometimes it's not in first, and I think that's why you're stalling.
It isn't first. I just don't fucking put the gas.
Okay, well, make sure you give it gas. Okay, we're about to go. Give it gas. Go. Give it gas.
I'm putting the gas.
Oh my god. You're not giving it enough gas. Go to first. Give it gas. Go. Oh my god. Okay, this is literally the last time you're driving it. Like, fuck.
I'm sweating.
You weren't giving it gas. Because if you were to give it gas, you would have heard the car go vroom, and you would have gone. Go slow here, because it's the next one. Oh my gosh.
I can't. I'm meant for stick.
And she wanted to buy a manual car.
What a second.
Okay. Marie, oh my fucking god. Okay, that's it. Just Huh?
We're pulling out.
Jesus fucking. Okay, you literally go to neutral. Make sure it's in neutral. Oh my god, dude, rip. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and switch seats because she already took enough abuse. Alright, guys, so we are back from the drive. Obviously, she stalled many times. People or a trucker passed by and honked at her, and yeah, it was not. I got a lot of. There was a girl laughing at me, and there was other people like shaking their heads. I made them turn their head though. Okay, so I broke their neck. Oh. You broke their neck. So one thing with driving manuals is that obviously the hardest part is obviously first, and that's obviously to get the car to start moving, and that's what she was having troubles with. She was saying that she was giving it gas, but I don't think she was giving it at least enough gas. So I think, yeah, that was the problem. And also with my shifter, sometimes when you put it in first, it's kind of hard to tell whether it's actually in first, because at least for my car, when you go to first, you kind of really have to make sure you go all the way to the left and then you go straight. And I think what was happening with her is she would think she would go to first, but the car or the shifter just kind of goes to third. But I think that was the problem, that she thought she was in first, but it was actually in third. And because that has happened to me many times. If I could get past first or pass without not stalling, I would get like a manual car, because I like how it feels whenever you shift. And then automatic is just, you just drive, so it's kind of boring. So what was the hardest part of driving manual? Definitely first. Because it's hard, because I don't give it enough gas. And then sometimes sometimes I forget. You said in the video, and guys, you guys could replay it, you said I'm giving it gas. I was giving it gas, but sometimes I forget that I have to let go of the clutch, so I just give it gas without letting go of the clutch. Motorcycle guy is coming back. The perv's coming back. The perv. Guys, when I got out of the car, the motorcycle guy, he literally, I got off to obviously switch sides, and this motorcyclist, which he's gonna pass right now. Yeah, you better not pull up. He literally, is it him? He's pulling up. Oh no, he's not. He came back. He might pull up. Yeah, it's him. He literally slowed down, and he literally had his visor. He put up his visor, straight went like that, and looked at my ass. Look at this G. Look, let's go ahead. Oh, I can't show the G, but damn. That's him. Ooh. That's the G. Also, guys, I want to clarify, in the video, when there'd be a car in front of her and they would kind of be slowing down, I just went ahead and told her to put it in neutral, just because, you know, when you're driving manual, you kind of have to do a lot of stuff at the same time. So just to keep it simple, I just went ahead and told her to just put it in neutral, just so it'd be easier on her. I wanted to clarify that. So obviously, based on the video, I don't think she's going to be getting a manual car anytime soon. She does have a automatic G35, which is bone stock. She has not done anything to it. And it's a fishbowl. It's a fishbowl. It doesn't even have tint on it. That's how only the back has tint. This back. Yeah, and she's gonna be ordering some goodies. I think she wants to get coilovers and stuff. You know, with the stimmy that she's gonna get. Me, I'm just gonna go ahead and do kind of like maintenance on the car, and not really performance mods anytime soon, just because, you know, I'm broke. But I'm gonna go ahead and probably get like a throw bearing and a couple you know, a couple stuff like that, not anything, you know, major. If you guys want me to go ahead and review her car, which is just a bone stock G35, go ahead and comment down below. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it all for this video. We had a blast. I mean, I was fucking, not me, I was cracking up, like you could hear me in the video chuckling like a damn, you know, chicken. But I'm damn near pissed myself, just because I'm one of those people who literally laugh at anything, and the fact that like she was struggling, it's kind of sad, but it was kind of making me, you know, crack up, and that's just me. But yeah, I had a ton of fun filming this video. Obviously my poor car didn't have lots of fun, just because, you know, hopefully she didn't fuck anything major up. This is obviously the last time she's gonna drive my car. In my previous videos, I am interested in doing some more kind of non-car related. Obviously I am gonna be uploading car related videos, but I would like to kind of film more vlogs if you guys like. If you guys are down, I would also film challenges and maybe even reviews. I would definitely be interested in doing stuff and content like that, but that's kind of up to you guys and whatever you guys want to see on this channel. So go ahead and let me know, and I would be glad to go ahead and film those type of things for you. But yeah guys, that's gonna do it all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications just so that you are notified whenever I upload a video. And yeah, until next video, peace.